In today's video, I'll show you how to share an Excel spreadsheet with others to collaborate as a group. Let's get into the method. Open Excel and the document you want to share, and double-check you're signed into the correct account. Next, click on the Share button in the top right corner and choose Share from the list that appears. You now might be asked to sign in or check your account, but you should then see the Share page. If you're asked to save the spreadsheet to OneDrive, you'll need to do this first by clicking on this and giving it a name. After this, there are now two options to share your spreadsheet. The top choice allows you to send the link to the people you enter, or you can use the option below to get a copyable link to distribute yourself. For both options, you can adjust what people with the link can do. For example, you can set this to allow anyone with the link to edit the spreadsheet, or you can set it to specific people and then adjust more settings, such as an expiration date or password. Click on Send if you're choosing the people to send it to, or click on Copy to get the link where you can copy and paste it to send to others. The spreadsheet should now be editable, and you can change who can edit it in the future by heading back to the Share button, where there's a Manage Access button. You can also revoke access here or delete the shareable link as well if you need to. That's how to share an Excel spreadsheet with others to collaborate as a group. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.